Good morning, students. Today we will start with a new topic, that is surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Now surface area of a cuboid is the sum of the areas of all its six rectangular faces. We know that there are six rectangular faces in a cuboid. Similarly, there are six square faces in a cube. So each area, so it will be twice L into B plus twice B into H plus twice L into H. So when you total it, you will get the total surface area of a cuboid as twice L into B plus BH plus LH. Okay, now we come to cube. The total surface area of cube is, there are six faces, square faces, and area of one square face is a square. So 6a square, that is 6 into length of an edge. Okay, then lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, also known as area of four walls, is given by the formula. This is for a cuboid, sorry. It is given by the formula 2 into L plus B into H. Okay. Then area of four walls is also a perimeter of floor. We know that 2 into L plus B is perimeter of a rectangle into height. Or lateral surface area of a cuboid is twice L plus B into H. Now lateral surface area of a cube is 4 into A square. I have told you lateral surface area means area of four walls. So area of one wall is A square. So area of four walls will be 4A square. This is for a cube and this is for a cuboid. Now whenever in a question, if you are asked find out the surface area, means surface area of any solid means the total surface area. Clear? Now we come to cylinder. Suppose I have taken a cylinder of radius r and height h. Then the lateral surface area of this cylinder will be equal to lateral surface area, or also we can call it a curved surface area. Both are same. It is equal to 2 pi r h. Okay. Then total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h, means curved surface area plus area of the two bases. Now they are circular in shape, isn't it? So area of one base is pi r square. This base is also pi r square, and curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So when you will add it, you will get it as 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Then lateral surface area is also equal to 2 pi r into h, means the perimeter or the circumference into height. So we will be using this formula in this exercise. Now let us start with exercise 15.4. Question number 1. The surface area of a cube is 384 centimeters square. Find the length of an edge, the volume of the cube. Means we have to find out A and A cube. So surface area is given. I told you whenever surface area means the total surface area. So it is 384 centimeters square. We know that the surface area of cube is given by the formula 6a square. So 6a square equals to 384. A square equals to 384 by 6. When you will solve it, you will get it as 64. So A is under root 64, that is 8 centimeter. So what is the length of an edge? That is 8 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of cube. We know that is equal to A cube. That is 8 into 8 into 8. That is 512 centimeter cube. Now question number 2. Find the total surface area of a solid cylinder of radius 5 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Leave your answer in terms of pi. So we don't have to put the value of pi. We have to give the answer in terms of pi only. So what is given? R is given and H is given. We have to find out the total surface area of a cylinder. We know that the total surface area of a cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. So just put the value r as 5 centimeter and h as 10 centimeter. So 2 pi into r is 5, 5 plus 10. So 10 pi into 15, that is 150 pi centimeter square. Now let us do question number 3. An aquarium is in the form of a cuboid whose external measures are 70 centimeter into 28 into 35 centimeter. The base, side faces and back face are to be covered with colored paper. Find the area of the paper needed. Okay. So L is given, B is given and H is given. Okay. L is 70, B is 28 and h is 35 centimeter. We have to find the how much area of what paper is required. Okay, so area of base, this one is L into B, that is 17 to 28. Then area of side face, this one. Okay, so there are two side faces, so 2 into base into height, that is 28 into 35. So when you will solve, you will get it as 1960 centimeters square. And area of back face, okay, means this face just in back of this, is what, L into h, that is 70 into 35. When you will multiply, you will get it as 2450 centimeter square. So what is the area of paper required? That is 1960 plus 1960 plus 2450, that is 6370 centimeter square. So children, do the question number 1, 2, 3 and solve the exercise. Write down those notes. Thank you.